What if I told you that the world's most powerful AI isn't sitting in Silicon Valley, but deep inside a Chinese supercity, trained by billions of faces, voices, and thoughts, all in real time? Yeah, China's AI isn't just catching up. It might already be miles ahead. And here's the twist. What happens next affects you, wherever you live. Welcome to the Fact Frenzy, where curiosity meets reality. Let's dive into a high-voltage showdown between East and West and the future of intelligence itself. Let's cut through the noise. In 2020, China surpassed the US in total published AI research papers. But by 2024, it wasn't just quantity, it was quality. China's now leading in highly cited AI research, the kind that changes the game. We're talking facial recognition that can identify you from a blurry angle in under a second. Autonomous drones that swarm like flocks of birds, and AI-generated propaganda so real it fools human brains and fact-checkers alike. This isn't just sci-fi, it's happening right now. China's got something the West doesn't: data. A lot of it. Over 1.4 billion people, all feeding massive AI systems with every scroll, search, and selfie. Imagine training a dog with 10 commands. Now imagine training it with 10 billion. Which dog learns faster? And it's not just people. China is the only country with over 100 smart cities fully integrated with AI, from traffic lights to trash bins. Yep, even their garbage is smarter. In the West, AI has to tiptoe around ethics boards, privacy concerns, lawsuits. But in China, the government says go and everyone sprints. This central control means AI can be rolled out instantly on a national scale. Surveillance in schools, done. AI judges in courtrooms, already testing. Emotion detecting software in workplaces, deployed. We're not debating it, they're already living it. But it gets weirder. Did you know Chinese AI systems are learning ancient poetry to improve natural language understanding? Or that AI-powered monks are reciting Buddhist chants in temples, helping worshippers meditate? Even AI matchmakers are pairing up millions, analyzing personalities better than your mom ever could. And get this, one Chinese AI bot is trained to negotiate better than 99% of humans. Imagine trying to haggle at a street market, and the vendor is literally a supercomputer. Now here's where it hits home. Chinese AI is shaping global standards, from facial recognition exports to social credit tech. Countries across Asia, Africa, even Europe are importing Chinese AI infrastructure. In 10 years, your city's surveillance system might be powered by Beijing-built brains. And in business, Western companies are already getting outpaced. AI patents, robot factories, even AI art and entertainment, China is flooding the global market. So here's the bottom line. While the West argues about if AI should be used, China's already figured out how, and they're not waiting for permission. Now the question is, are they building the future of humanity or quietly rewriting the rules for all of us? Drop it in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next unbelievable fact about our wild, wonderful planet. See you in the next video.